G'day, hi there, I'm Jeff, your affiliate mentor. I'm down in New Zealand. I've lived in Australia and New Zealand for a long, long time, and I'm your affiliate mentor. And look, we've got to make hay while the sun shines. These are difficult times for a lot of people. They've lost their jobs and they haven't got any income. They need to earn income fast, extra income. And as affiliates, we can almost advertise jobs. We can advertise work. We can advertise income, online income, make money online, earn extra income. We can do all these things with affiliate products. So I reckon you should follow something new, something hot called Monster Mode System. Monster Mode System, man. It's the one. Got great results coming up, and this pays 100% commissions, 100% on 5 levels. The amazing guy who created it, he's feeding five proven programs through one monster funnel, and you get 100% commission each time. It's a killer. I recommend you go for Monster Mode System 700K. 700K is the fact that he's made $700,000 through the 5 component businesses that are fed through your monster funnel. You get a monster funnel. You only have to promote one link for the monster funnel, one link across the internet, webs, blogs, social media, forums, chats, paid ads. Of course, they work best, but you can do a lot of things for free. Follow me, I tell you, Monster Mode System, I'm telling you, is the best. And just click below and you'll see my blog about this, okay? Where it says free entry. Okay, chat to you later.